In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Homebase password. It's a simple process, but it's an incredibly important one to ensure your account stays secure. Let's walk through the steps together, making sure you fully understand each part of the process. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Homebase dashboard. As soon as you're logged in, look around the page. You're searching for the Settings menu, which is usually located in a corner of your dashboard. It might have a gear icon next to it, helping it stand out a bit more. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options, giving you access to different settings related to your account. As you scroll down through the Settings menu, keep an eye out for the section labeled Account. This section holds all your personal settings related to your account, including where we need to go to change your password. So, go ahead and click on Account. Within the Account section, you're looking for the area specifically named Password and Security. This is your go-to spot for all things related to keeping your account safe and secure. Once you find it, click to open it, and you'll see the option to change your password. Here, you will typically be prompted to enter your current password to verify your identity. This is an important step, as it ensures that you have permission to make changes to the account's login credentials. So, carefully type in your current password. Next comes the exciting part. You get to create a new password. As you do this, think about creating a strong password, which usually means ensuring it's unique and complex. A good trick is to use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid obvious choices like password 123 or using your name or birthday. This will help keep your account much safer and secure against unauthorized access. After entering your new password, you might be prompted to re-enter it to confirm. This is just to double-check you've typed exactly what you think you did. Any mismatch will result in an error, so it's a helpful feature. Finally, once you're happy with your new password, look for a Save or Update button. Clicking this will update your password and finalize the change. Make sure you remember your new password, or better yet, note it down and keep it secure so that you can easily log in next time. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Homebase password. By doing so, you've taken an important step in maintaining the security of your account. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.